Welcome to Naomis Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is stir-fried okra with dried shrimp. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Before I start cooking, I am very excited to introduce you my friend Mary, who has a wonderful channel, The Fine Art of Cooking, with lots of easy to follow baking and Chinese recipes. Check out her channel. I think you are going to like it. A link to her channel can be found below in the description. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: okra, garlic, cooking oil, soy sauce, dried shrimp, and onion. Now let's start cooking by heating oil in the pan. We preheated oil in the pan. Now we can add the garlic. Give it a stir until it turns golden brown. Now we can add the onion. Give it a stir until the onion turns soft. Smells absolutely lovely. Now the onion is soft, add the dried shrimp. Give it a stir. Mix it up and stir occasionally. Now we can add the okra. Give it a stir. Now we can add the soy sauce. Give it a stir. Mix it up. Smells absolutely gorgeous and looks absolutely pretty. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 5 minutes of simmering, give it a stir. Smells absolutely lovely. Wow, gorgeous. Now cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. Wow! After 10 minutes of total cooking time, my stir-fried okra with shrimp is now ready to serve and enjoy. Serve with rice and enjoy! Now, let's taste it. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Don't forget my friend Mary.